I often see patients come in and one of their chief complaints is that they wake up in the morning with sore face muscles in their face. And when I look at their teeth, oftentimes they're very flat. And I ask the patient, do you know that you grind or clench your teeth together? Well, no, I'm not aware of that. Oftentimes we can solve those problems and eliminate the sore muscles in their face by just a simple bite adjustment perhaps, or an appliance that they wear at night that protects the teeth. A night appliance is such a simple acrylic guard that can either snap on the bottom or the upper teeth that prevents the teeth from grinding together and keeps that balance between the jaw joint, the muscles, and the teeth. I'd have a patient just simply look in their own mouth, and if they're seeing where cusps might have been once and their molars are flat, or they see shiny spots on the sides of their teeth, that's kind of an indication that they're grinding their teeth at night. The chewing mechanism of the body is a wonderful machine. It's all related together through the temporalis muscle up here, the masseter muscle, and some inner muscles on the inside, and it has to work in harmony with the jaw joint and with the teeth. We need balance between the muscles, the joints, and the teeth. When those are out of balance, that's when we start seeing signs of grinding the teeth and pain in the patient's either facial muscles or even migraines running down the back of the neck or up here in the temporalis or even through the shoulders. So often patients come in and they aren't aware that they're doing it. They know that they have the pain in their mouth, they know that something isn't right, but the solution is pretty simple just by the simple acrylic appliance that they wear at night. It changes lives. You wake up in the morning, you're feeling much more refreshed. Most of my patients, when they start wearing their acrylic guard, they say, I can't sleep without it. And they're much more relaxed. Their teeth are no longer grinding and their facial pain is gone.